Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you something different. It's a Fiat Cinquecento. But this car, it's a very strange tuning project because it's equipped with 1.2-liter engine from Fiat Punto. It's got custom wheels, custom front and rear bumpers, custom side skirts, and of course, very rare, black paint with red pearls. A little bit of knowledge, small amount of money, and this crazy looking car. Those are the ingredients to create the perfect little sleeper. The car itself is the cheapest car that everyone can imagine, but if you're crazy enough to make this car to look and run like this one, trust me, you're gonna be back in time, right to your childhood. The easiest way to give you my impressions is to tell you that this car is just a go-kart with roof. It's a fun little car, perfect for driving in city environment. And in the same time, you're driving something different that no one will see on the streets.
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel, and thanks for watching.